Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video on Bittensor TAO. It is TAO. TAO is the ticker symbol. It is an altcoin dealing with AI, and it's one of the coins that I've mentioned that I do like. I wanted to accumulate it, etc., etc., etc. And it actually is proving to be good for upside continuation. So I'm gonna break it down as to what I see, and if you guys like it, I mean, feel free to do what you want. Quickly, what I want to just show you is the low, the high price action going to the upside here in volume, and all the biggest volume was done right around here. So this is where I would say is accumulated on the retest of the lows. You did not even break the low of the low, which is very good. It was like a double bottom scenario. So this is good from what we discussed last time. If you haven't seen our last video, feel free to join our Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. There's a channel in there that says daily videos. You can type in and search for TAO, or in the YouTube channel itself. If you can just subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification, hit the thumbs up. You can see in the YouTube channel and just type in TAO, and you'll see all our old videos that will actually explain all the doodles that I'm about to show you in a second. Aside from that, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to just leave it in the comment section or in the Discord, and I will get back to you. And yeah, aside from that, feel free to use those affiliate services. It helps the channel grow. Let's get back to the TAO here. Here are the doodles that we had on the last video, basically showing you this inverse head and shoulder. If the inverse head and shoulder did not hold on this neckline over here around basically 455, then we have the possibility of coming to retest these previous lows, which is where we were looking for a possible bull flag inverse head and shoulder setup. We got basically just that with this equal low over here, and we were accumulated. Well, you can just remove this, but we were accumulated right in this area, and once we got above 276, kind of gave you the confirmation that hey, upside is more likely. We do have this trend line here to show you that hey, this is possibly where we will find the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder form, and once we're above this level, it will use this as support between here and here. So basically in this triangle right here, you will see the next flag form above the EMA. So you want the price action to get up here, and then start consolidating here, doing all this stuff, and then a break straight out into the next level of resistance, which is 604. We've already had all this documented and doodled, but at least for those of you who are here that have not seen it, understand why we are looking for something like this. Now, keep in mind that this price action that you are hoping for it to play out like this, it doesn't need to be like in this exact same fractal, but the point of the matter is that once we get opening closes on the weekly above 347, the next natural resistance will be at 400. And then once we get above 400, you know this 455 EMA resistance will be there, and that's where I expect us to consolidate like this for upside. This you can remove. This inverse head and shoulder, in my opinion, looks like it's already playing out. So those of us who did not get it are the ones who are going to basically have to chase and DCA into the position from 276 to 455 for the next continuation leg up. So that's how I see this. Even if this comes back, I would try to accumulate 276 and then have a stop loss underneath maybe 250 to 225, and then try to ride this up to 450 and beyond. This is a very, very limited asset. The supply is, I forget, but it was a very low supply coin, and everyone is staking it. So the pumpamentals of this coin is very, very good. And once we get out of this range, I mean, if you do 1-to-1, which we've done how many times, right? It's like we've proven that this is very, very effective. Hold shift. There you go. So when we do break out of this, I will be looking for us to go into this level here. Right here. So that's where I expect it to go into. I would say red. So that's where I would make sure to take profit once this gets to 1250 from 339. And that's basically what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin did this exact same fractal. It actually went to like almost 1,000, 1,200, busted back down to 300, and then it actually did its parabolic rise once it was accumulated properly by the individuals. And you can tell right here, as you're going down here, this volume that went up, it's bullish divergence. Yeah, you got a little bit of bearish divergence coming into resistance. That's to be expected. If you turn off all the doodles and you go on a higher time frame, you can see that's a bullish engulfing monthly. I mean, just while we were talking, it just went up like $4. So it is what it is. I mean, you guys got to make your own decision and stick with it. But from what I see, this looks very, very, very promising for upside continuation. And whoever did the buying this month got the best buys. I mean, they got the best price for this asset for whatever the future holds for it. And I already gave you my targets. Once you get above 455, I'm looking for 604. Once you get above 604, I'm looking for 760. Once that happens, it's gonna be a parabolic, right? Like a impulse candle. It's not gonna be like a little zig 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 zig. It should be just a fast move up. In a massive, massive short squeeze above $700 to 1,200. So that is what I see for Tau. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. Let me go to a quick lower time frame, by the way. So here it is on the daily. Okay, daily is already flagging, right? Look what happened last time we did the same situation. Right here. Here's your lows, descending channel, and then you do the blow flag out. Right? Here's your descending channel, and we're just starting the flag, which I've already said we're looking for. Oops. Which I've already am looking for the breakout from here. So it's it's up to you to do your own research, your own analysis. But I gave you my thoughts, and so far I don't see any reason why we can't get to at least 370, 370 to 380, maybe today. It does look like we're gunning for it already. So yeah, once you get above the purple EMA, it's nice and easy to get into much more parabolic rises. Here's the lowest time frame, 4-hour EMA, the 4-hour time frame, and you're basically taking the liquidity out right now, right into the open of the day. So just be aware of all this stuff, guys, moving forward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in assets and would like another video on another one, feel free to let me know and I'll make that video. Aside from that, guys, just have a great day, be safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios. Good luck trading today.